Oh my god! I just so want to rip this thing open, but I can't because of my fucking chain. So I'm like under the speed limit at the moment. And the thing is I'm late for bloody work. And if I need to rip the bike open, now is the time I need to rip it open. Oh, alright, Bam, go on, just overtake me, why don't you? How fucking embarrassing is that? How embarrassing is that? Oh god, it's 29. Stay there, car. Don't even think about it. How embarrassing when a fucking van overtakes me. God's sake. I've got 1 minute to get to work. One fucking minute. Yeah, like that's going to happen. That's me 5 minutes late yet again. Oh god. It is so fucking wet. Oh, it's half past. Bollocks, I'm late. What a surprise, Mackenzie's late. I must be the ultimate later. The ultimate later. That's quite cool. I must be. I should be in the fucking Google descriptions on the dictionary. It should be like, late Mackenzie. Like a kind of, you know, example. Mackenzie is always fucking late. If ever you are as late as Mackenzie, then you are officially late. Always. A serial later. Serial fucking later. Oh dear. 31. Nice. If I can get there in 2 minutes, 33 isn't so bad. That's quite good for me. In fact, that's probably bloody good for me. I don't want it to be 5. I don't want the whole fucking shebang number. 25-2 is not good. 33 is, well, I could have been rumbling up the road at half past. 32, I've got 1 minute to try and reach my target. If I can get there, I'm not going to do it. I know I'm not. It's going to be 35. But if I can, that'd be great, because 3 minutes is neither here nor there, really, is it? In anyone's terms. Unless you're due in court, maybe. A whole 5 minutes, when that shows on a clock, it's like, poof, fucking late bastard. Oh god, I'm getting steep out. Where's the roundabout? Oh, here it is. Yeah, so, let's try and make it to 33. Oh, it's 33 now. Well, that's not going to happen, is it? See, I'm even fucking late when it comes to being late. How? Oh. I give up. I really do. This was supposed to be good. Planning better. Do you remember this road? In my other block? And I was going, right, that's it. Plan better. New slate. Yeah. New slate. How awesome is that? He's a liar. This is a fucking 30 road. He told me it's a 40. What a lying git. Where did he get 40 from? Come on, girl. We're nearly there. Ready to go. So fucking 34. It's going to be 30. It's going to be 35, isn't it? It's going to be 25-2 by the time I roll up. What excuse can I dream up? Dog ate my homework. Dog ate the alarm clock. Dog ate my phone. Oh. dog ate my bike, dog ate my keys for my bike, and dog ate my helmet. Oh, fucking hell. It's a bit slippy. No, none of them are going to work, are they, really? What about... I'm just late, I'm sorry. I'll just fess up. I tend to fess up. I'm quite an honest person. I just take it. Come on, give it to me. I just take it. Just take the shit. Take your punishment. People give up giving me punishment because it's, like, consistent. Oh, we've got an old car there. Oh, wow. Okay, this is here. Fuck, that's weird. Oh dear. No time for a fag. Bye.